Right, I'm going to show you how to make a solder fume extractor. I have a couple of power supply fans, the kind you find in PC power supplies. I'll show you how to salvage these at some point when I get some more of them. So I recently stripped a whole batch of them, so I have many fans. Also need soldering iron, a female 3.7mm jack, this one is going with. Also need a old charger. This is for an old router, nice rating, 12 volts. So you'll be aiming for 12 volts. What you want, as these are 12 volt fans. Already stripped the ends here, as you can see. Clean up the iron a little bit. Okay. Right, let's put some flux on the ends of these. Not too much. Nice. Nice join. I always use quite a lot of flux. Wipe off some of the residue using a bit of wet tissue. Burn some of the wire there, not a problem. Now, better off leaving this plugged in while you do this part. A little bit of flux on here as well, rather not touching. Irritates your skin, not a lot, but still. You don't want itchiness, probably don't want to touch it. Right, the inside, that's the middle pin, is positive, and the side ones and the middle. You see that? No. Focus, there we go. The middle one. See the flux on them? It's like a brown goo. There we go. Right, let's solder the positive one first. And go on that sideways. See all these fumes? That's what this will be preventing. Very good join on that one. I'll clean that up again. That iron was a little bit hot. Melted the plastic, so that's okay. We're hot gluing this, but we'll try it before. Make sure the connections are okay. Just hot glue the connections is all that's left. You don't have to do that. It might stop you getting an electric shock. Connector. Nice. You hear them powered up. It's quite a breeze off that. Iron should still be a bit hot. Let's see if the fan works. Oh yes. Very good. Stab them up on your soldering. All fumes are gone. There's your fume extractor out of some scrap fans, mains powered. Till next time.